All right guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the second install on the GTI, so part 2 of 2. So this video we're doing the turbo muffler delete, so we're going to get into it right now. So I believe I have all the tools necessary for my install today. I've already moved the catch can off the motor, but I believe you're going to need ratchets or an electric ratchet. I will be needing an Allen swivel tool. I will be needing a Torx bit T30. That's definitely confirmed. I will be needing my 1/4 inch ratchet. I will be needing my size, possibly T25 bit, but also a size 7 millimeter. It's going to go on here, which is currently right here. So this is what I will be needing for my clamps. So as you can see, come on, focus. So as you can see, it is a 7. So that will go on here. So I'll be needing this. I have my step down from my 3/8. It's a 1/4. I may need the Allen tools, don't know. I also have one of my screwdrivers with my magnetic bit, so won't let it go. So that's what I've deducted that I will need right now. There is another possibility that I will need one other bit. I'm trying to locate that right now. Oh yes, this. So this is one of the bits. So it's a hex design. I might end up needing this. I've got my conversion. I've got my 1/4 inch turner or extender for my 1/4 inch ratchet. So I've got everything I believe I need. That's all the tools that I believe I'm going to need for today's video and the parts. So let's check out what we've got going on in the car. There we go. Just turn and this should come right out. Okay, so when you're doing your turbo muffler delete, which is going to be right in here, which is there, it's best when the elbow is out. So took out the elbow, which is okay. We're going to tackle the turbo muffler delete now, and in order to do so, this bolt that you see right here, that's a 7. So you pop that off, take the tubing off, wiggle it off. To get it back on, I will be probably using some oil just to make sure that it slides right back over the opening, just to make sure it just goes on, and then I will tighten it down. All right, let's get on it. Don't want to loosen this too much. All right, I got plenty of slack. All right, that's plenty of space. Try to leave this in the same spot that it was. All right. Okay, so to show you what's going on, I'm going to loosen this bolt to get to the turbo muffler delete. So to do so, you've got 3 points of contact. 1, 2, 3 for your air box. Pop it up, comes right out. So I did all the Torx bit screws to get that disconnected. So now we're going to that is loosened. This should allow some play. All right, so with some finesse, got this loosened. Also got that off. So now I'm going to attempt to loosen this, give myself some space to get to the turbo muffler piece, and then taking this off, this tubing, and should give me a little bit more space. Just takes time and patience. All right, so with some patience, I got the tubing off, so I will lube it up a little bit with oil to secure and make sure it gets on nice and smooth. there's the turbo muffler port. So let's see if I can get this out with ease. Probably not, but let's try it anyway. All right, I had other footage that apparently got deleted, but this install was a 1 out of 10 on scale of ease. I got the turbo muffler in, everything fits great, and at first I had trouble, but then I learned that I had to rotate this to kind of get it to fit the right way. It fits great. It just took a second to get it in, but you know, that's the way it is with some parts. But anyway, I took this out and I have a photo to compare it to show you the difference between the stock turbo muffler and the turbo muffler delete. Here we go. Also, I would like to add that with the turbo muffler delete, this install is a 1 out of 10, as in I would not do it and I would not do it again. The turbo does have a little bit more of a presence than it did before, but really doesn't really do much. But I like the sounds that it now has and or makes, so for me it was worth it. So I ordered 2 muffler deletes. I got one off eBay and one off Mercari. So eBay was a little bit more, but I luckily found something on Mercari. So here's the difference between the turbo muffler and the turbo muffler delete. You can see the distinct difference that there's no gaps in the center. All right, now to put my tubing onto the new elbow, like so. All right, that's on there. All right, elbow is on. We'll tighten it just a second. This tubing section is on. Okay. We'll tighten this up. Ow. Yeah. All right, I'll tighten these things up in just a second. All right, got the car running right now. So doesn't really sound much different with the turbo muffler delete, but is it worth it? It's questionable. I had to change my shirt because I got all hot and sweaty from dealing with the turbo muffler delete, but is it worth it? It's questionable. It's only worth it if you want to learn how to handle and do things on your car. But if you're not really interested to do it, then I wouldn't do it, and therefore the worth would be 0. But if you're like me and you want to learn a bit about your car and you want to learn a little bit about how to do things on your own car, then it's worth it. So it's all depending on the perception of if you want to work and learn on your car or not. So if you're not interested, then pass on it. But if you're interested, do it. You can learn a thing or two. I know I've learned more about this platform in the last couple months after having it than previous other cars where, you know, I had a 2015 Focus ST. 2016, same difference, but I didn't do much in terms of learning, didn't really learn the platform, didn't take time to learn the platform, just drove the car. This platform, I'm learning, I'm driving, I'm critiquing, I'm making things better. So it's all about your perception and it's all about your goals. So if your goal is to learn about your car and work on it so that you don't have to bring it somewhere, then it's worth it. But if you're not interested, then don't bother with the turbo muffler delete. So that's going to end today's video. Stay safe, have fun. We'll see you next time. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.